Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me building my Jtru design business. I make party decorations and gifts for people. And also occasionally I will film DIY tutorials for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy these type of videos. So today I wanted to show you some of the orders I've received and the type of things I do on a daily basis. And my orders have slowed down quite a bit, and I will explain that towards the end of the video. So hopefully you enjoy my video and let's get to it. So in my last video, I redesigned my flyers and I got them printed. This is what they look like, and I'm going to open them up and show you guys and let me know what you guys think. Here it is. This is the front and this is the back. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? And just to compare it to the old one, this is the old one and I haven't got many left, so once these are finished I will be using these new flyers. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can just hit the like button down below, just so that my video can reach out to more people and it's good for the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you all so much. So I'm just replenishing some of these numbers that I use on a regular basis. So I'm just getting it prepared right now. So here I'm just designing some of the cake topper ideas I had in my sketchbook, and a lot of it was inspired by babies, so hopefully you enjoy watching me illustrate this. And I also have a video on how I apply glitter on top of the mock-up, so if you're interested, just click the card on the top right hand corner and you'll get to see the video. If you guys haven't noticed already in this video, I am currently 40 weeks pregnant, and yeah, I know I haven't been really showing off my bump in my videos. I just wanted to keep it a secret, but soon I won't be able to do that because I'm going to become a mum and things will change for me, even all the orders I do. So I have already extended my processing time because once baby arrives I will be spending a lot of time with him, and obviously I'll be tired and trying to adapt to my new life. It will be very exciting and overwhelming, I guess. I didn't want to shut my shop down during the busiest season, so yeah, I've just extended my processing time. So hopefully, you know, I can at least maybe work 1 hour a day. Let's see how it goes. And I've also got my fiance to help me send out my orders, so that will be really helpful as well. And when I get the chance, I will film the videos for you guys so you can see what it's like to be a working mom. If you guys have already got children, let me know, because, you know, it'd be nice to share your experience with me. I am currently on 296 Etsy listings, and it won't be long before I reach 300, so wish me luck guys, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.